Just a quick update, I purchased the OEM Honda bolts online for peace of mind. Don't get me wrong, the Home Depot screws do work, but this is Henry's car and not my car. So I want him to be happy that he has OEM replacement bolts and that he doesn't worry that the threads on his replacement bolts doesn't match the threads on the air filter cover.
Flashback.
This is my neighbor Henry, and we're helping him replace his engine air filter on a 2003 Honda Civic.
Ta-da!
So to replace the engine air filter, there's supposed to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screws or bolts holding it in place. But his 3 are gone, so we're just gonna remove the 3 at the back. These are 8mm screws or bolts. So use an 8mm socket and wrench to remove them. All right, this broke out easily. Here's one. And let's break out the one at the back. Oh, unfortunately, this one's rounded.
Got a WD-40.
Right, we're gonna spray WD-40 on the screws.
Right here?
Because, yep.
Where else?
And the one at the back, the 2 at the back.
Oh, you can't even see those.
We got one loose already. And we got 2 more at the back.
I got this.
We'll be back. Well, let me show you where it is.
I get them. One on each
It's
side.
all the way at the back.
Yep, oh, you're showing the camera. Good.
And there's one on top. Due to unfortunate circumstances, I am not able to show how I drilled out the bolts. My apologies. I am able to show on screen the part of the bolt that was left after it was drilled out. The gold brass on the right is the bolt guide that goes in the middle of the air filter cover where the bolt slides in. My apologies again for this unfortunate recording issue. So after 3 days, our battery died, so we had to drill out the remaining bolts. And finally, just be careful not to. And we got it. And here's the broken bolt, as you can see.
Right there, look at it. And
This one.
And it's not that dirty, but still, you can see it got dirt on it, right?
Yep. So
But they
we'll
say
take
it
it out.
helps the engine run clean if you got a new one, correct?
Correct.
Yeah,
Oh,
look,
there's
look at the other
dirt.
side, the
Yep.
buckle leaves and shit.
That's why Henry wanted it replaced. And he's getting the replacement one. So we're gonna take this out. Let me take this out and we'll replace it with a new bolt if we find one. I'll try to find Henry a bolt for this online, but later we're just gonna put temporary bolts. Well, you don't really need all of them, but for
You
safety.
have no air to hit the air, you know, for all that.
Any chance you have a vacuum, you want to vacuum it first?
Nah. I can give you a paper towel. You can just.
All right, so this is the bolt that we drilled out. And unfortunately for this one, but we're gonna order this online later. The bolt got stuck, so we're just gonna replace that. All right, let me get this first. I might be blocking, I'm sorry. There you go. This is the bolt that broke. And this one, we'll just get a replacement. As you can see, the bolt got stuck inside. So I'll order Henry one online to replace this in the future. And he's gonna clean center while I clean his cover. Here's the side-by-side quick comparison of the old engine air filter and new engine air filter. Now put it back in the same orientation that you removed the old one. There you go. It's not gonna fit this way, so you gotta fit it that way. Alright, so put your kinda clean engine air filter cover, put it on top. Make sure it's snugged in. Then I'm not gonna leave Henry out in the dark. I brought some screws for him, and we'll see what fits and put it temporarily until we can order some correct screws and bolts for him. But for now, so just so it doesn't bump out of the position.
See, I like the way they came half up. They didn't come all the way out, so you don't lose the screw. That's why they built it like that, right?
All right,
That one worked.
Henry,
The one back
yeah,
there?
we got lucky with one,
Right.
and I'll see if I can order you maybe
Yeah,
just
and this
two.
one here you got,
Yep,
right?
I'm gonna tighten this right
Yeah,
now.
so that's two for now, right?
Yep,
You put it nice and tight. See how that one?
see,
You see?
let's try it.
Good, yeah. Why
And
do you
this
mess
one-
around with all the yeah?
I'm gonna buy you one.
One more
Maybe
there.
I'll buy you two, just so we have extra. Yay, we got two at least. All right, Henry, this is my gift for you. Because I don't want you guessing when you last replaced the engine air filter.
Oh,
So I
okay.
printed engine air filter replace 8/15/25.
This is Jeffrey on there, right?
Yep,
That's
so it's a
good.
sticker. I'm gonna put it on here so we know when we last replaced it.
All right.
You don't have to guess anymore. So I'll put it here so we know when we last
It'll
replaced
stay,
it.
huh?
And it'll stay, it's a sticker. So there's your date, 8/15/25 by Jeffrey.
Would you make that on the machine just now?
Yeah, just for you. So we'll order you 3 screws and we'll put in and just one extra in case it breaks again in the future.
The following day.
All right, just a quick update. This is the bolt that goes in the center,
Uh-huh.
goes
Gotcha.
here, and this was the one that we had to drill out.
Right.
So I went to Home Depot
Okay.
and got the same.
Big long one with the washer.
Yep, it has the same
Yeah, that's
threads.
good.
And just for everyone who wants to do this from Home Depot, it's called a cap screw, M5 0.8 millimeter
It works
by
just as good as
50.
the original factory,
Yep,
right?
by 50 millimeters metric, and it should fit. So you put this. I put a washer, and I'm using a nut as a spacer, and the spacer is a M5 0.8 metrics hex nut.
Good girl, Jim. Just sit down. I'm gonna get pizza. Sit down.
Okay, so we slide this in here, then put this in the
That has
middle.
to go on there too.
Yep,
Oh, that goes inside the hole, I think.
yep. This one's the one that goes through here. All right, give me a second.
I thought this just goes right inside there. No,
Nope.
this has to go on there too.
Yep.
You just put that in there a second ago, just the way it is. You didn't put
Yep.
nothing on it.
This one goes through here.
Okay, good.
There
There
you
you
go.
go. Gotcha. All right.
Same with the other
All
bolts at the end.
Yeah.
See this one?
We don't care.
It's locked in
Alright.
one inside. So we gotta
Okay,
go
doke.
through,
Okay.
and now we gotta thread this in.
Oh, I see. That's like a nut that holds it in place. That goes down. I got you.
Yeah.
Okay.
So this is a long nut. We bought one that's long because we don't want it shorter than what we need. So see, it is going.
Gotcha. Got it. Got it. Got it.
There you see, it's
Okay.
coming out.
There you
So
go.
we at least have one and have an extra one to put at the
Okay.
end. So,
Nice. It's on camera.
okay. Yep. Now it's out, so that can slide in the middle.
Let me see. Lift it up again. Let me make sure it's in there. Let me see. Okay.
It lines
Okay.
on this
Yeah,
one.
okay.
Let me
Professional.
get my
Scott, Jeffrey with a J is a professional. Well, semi-professional is good. I tell people
semi-professional.
I'm a semi better.
And we got one more. Haven't even opened it. So we'll open it now.
You see me ordering those screws. He said, he said, tell me when. He said,
I'm
get
gonna
it in 2
use
days. I
not
said, no,
just
you
as
have
a
some.
washer.
Yeah.
I'm just using
And
a
I
nut
tape
as a
up the gap,
washer. to
remember?
put it in. Yep. And we'll slide it at the back.
Can't shoot the
There you go.
3 weeks later.
Finally, our OEM screws came in. I already removed the center screw from Home Depot, so I can put this new one in. Side story, the first set of screws I ordered got lost in the mail. This is why this video took longer than it should. So my air filter date is from 3 weeks ago. It might even be longer when I post this video. Now let's install the back bolt. My apologies for the camera angle, as the thread hole is really hiding at the back, and it's hard to record. There you go, just snug. And that is how to replace an engine air filter on this 2003 Honda Civic. Thank you for watching.